Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'll be showing you this site where you can earn free USDT from and withdraw into your Faucetpay account. So for you to take advantage of this site, you need a Faucetpay account. So how can you get it? I will drop the link for you to register a Faucetpay account in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So locate the link to register for Faucetpay in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So after you might have created a Faucetpay account, then you need to get this link. So I will drop the link to register for this USDT site in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So locate the link in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. After you might have done that, then you are going to get to an interface like this. So this is how the interface is going to be looking like. So you can see, so it's going to show like this. So ads will be popping up on this site. Don't mind the ads, so just be careful when you are on this site, because that is how they make their money. They make their money through ads. So it's from the money they make from the ad, they share the money they make from the ad revenue. That is where they used to pay us. So you're going to see an interface like this. So all you need to do is to click on where it says start investing. So once you click on start investing, an interface like this will show. So you'll be seeing only accept faucetpay.io email address to start earning. So you need to input that your Faucetpay email address that you create here in this box. So you're going to click on it. When you click on it, you are going to put your Faucetpay email address there. You click on this place that says start mining. So before we proceed, the name of the site is USDT miner. So I will drop the link for you in the pinned comment section or in the description section of this video. So after you might have put your Faucetpay email address there, then you are going to get to an interface like this. You scroll up like this, you see that this thing is mining. So the thing will automatically start mining for you. So you can as well withdraw this mine. As you are mining, you can be withdrawing it. So you let it mine for some times, then you withdraw. There is no minimum withdrawal. I think their minimum withdrawal is 0.00001. So for me, I don't see that one as a minimum withdrawal. So they don't have any minimum withdrawal. So now once the thing is mining like this, so you are going to wait till it's mined for a little time, then you can withdraw it. So now you are in a free plan. So this is it. They gave us 2 GHz power. So this 2 GHz power, that is what you are mining on. That is for the free plan, and you are going to be getting 0.00008 USDT every day. Then as they said. So now you need to purchase a mining power. If you want to earn more on this site, you need to purchase a mining power, because if you not purchase a mining power, you are not going to be earning much on this site. So you need to purchase a mining power. So if you want to purchase a mining power, you can tell me. You can just connect with me, chat me up on. We have a Telegram channel. I will drop her Telegram channel link in the description section of this video or in the pinned comment section. So I will drop our Telegram channel link there, so you can reach me out there. Also, I will drop our WhatsApp group link. We have a WhatsApp group, so I will drop the link for you to join our WhatsApp group, so you can ask me any question you want to ask. I will also drop the WhatsApp number. You can reach me. I will drop the WhatsApp number for you. on the screen, so you can reach me from that WhatsApp to ask me any question you want to ask concerning this site. Please ask me question concerning this site. Don't ask me question outside this site. You can ask me any other question on cryptocurrency or anything, I will reply you. But if you want to know more on this site, you need to chat me up and I will tell you what you need to know, how you need to purchase the mining power. So this is the VIP plan is, you can see daily profit up to 100 USDT, duration 365 days, instant withdraw, Faucetpay.io. So deposit is 0.1 USDT. so the minimum deposit you can deposit for that 1.5% per day, you can deposit 0.1 USDT. okay, so the VIP plan 2 is 2.5% per day, so you can deposit 101 USDT to 1000 USDT. so the 1.5% plan, you can deposit 0.1 USDT to 100 USDT. is as you want the mining to be fast, that is how you are going to purchase the mining power. You are not depositing anything, the site is totally free, but you need to purchase the mining power so that your mining will be very fast. So that is the truth you should know about it. Yes, you'll be withdrawing from the free plan, okay, but if you want to withdraw a tangible money like 5 USDT per day, 10 USDT per day, 20 USDT per day, you need to purchase a mining power. So that is that mining power. If you purchase a mining power, it will mine faster for you, so you will be withdrawing tangible something. So because this thing is a free plan, you cannot be getting tangible, you cannot be getting a big thing from the free plan. That is the truth about it. So now if you want to withdraw from this site, all you need to do is to you can see here where it says withdraw. You can see where it says withdraw. You can just click on the withdraw and you withdraw it. So I will be withdrawing this. I will be withdrawing now from this site because I've withdrawn from this site. I've withdrawn from this site. So I've withdrawn today from this site. So I will be making another withdrawal so that you can see that this is really paying. This site have been existing since last year. Okay, I've been existing since last year. If you are my subscriber, you know about this site. I've talked about this site in my previous video. So yes, those that are following me back to back, I've shared something about this site. So this site is really paying, but if you purchase the mining power, you will enjoy this site. In fact, you will come back and thank me. This site is really paying. It's not stressful. You just need to purchase the mining power and the thing will be mining for you for free. That is it. So I'm going to be making a withdrawal now. So I will just withdraw 0.000034 from this. Then I'll click on confirm request. So the thing is processing. So once it's done processing, then I'm going to receive it on my Faucetpay account. So let's wait a little bit for it to process because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, they said your withdrawal request is being processed. You will soon receive it in your wallet. So now let's go to my Faucetpay account and see if I've received the payments. We withdrew 0.0003. So let me click on dashboard. Okay, let me scroll up and see if you can see, guys, this site is really paying, guys. So you can see it says 0.000034 USDT was sent to my account. You can see it's 17th January 2025. You can see this is the payment. Let me show you the previous payment. this was the previous payment. I withdrew 0.0041 USDT. Then this is another one here. Okay, that's the only one. Okay, I withdrew another one. Okay, I don't see that one again, but I've withdrawn more than 3 times today. So I've withdrawn more than 3 times today. So this site is really paying. You can see this was the 0.000034 USDT. So this site is really paying. So if you purchase a mining power, it will be faster for you. You will be earning a lot from this site. So take advantage of this site. So there is nothing to lose. Please remember, I am not your financial advisor nor your financial coach. Is what works for me. Anything I tried and it works for me. I will come back and share it with you guys. So please, I am not a financial advisor and I am not a financial coach. Is what I tried for me and it works for me. I come back here and I share it with you guys. So that is just it. So I think that's all. There's nothing much on the site. Okay, so I think this will be the end of the video. Please do me well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share to families and friends, and remain financially stable.